Welcome to the Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Our today's topic of discussion is Make in India. It's 10 years of completion. 10 years ago, on September 25, 2014, Government of India launched the ambitious Make in India initiative. Make in India wasn't just a slogan, it was a roadmap to turn India into a global hub for manufacturing, design, and innovation. It had two main goals. First, boost the manufacturing sector's share in GDP from 14% to 25%. Second, create 100 million jobs by 2025. This initiative was built on four pillars. 1. New processes. 2. New infrastructure. 3. New sectors. And 4. New mindset, all designed to promote ease of doing business, attract foreign investment, and support Indian industries. Let's look at what India has achieved in a decade. 1. Mobile manufacturing. Boom. From just 2 mobile factories in 2014 to over 200 today. Mobile exports shot up from 1,556 crores to a staggering 1.2 lakh crores. 2. Renewable energy surge. India is now the fourth largest renewable energy producer, increasing capacity by 400% in a decade. 3. Defense export growth. India has expanded its defense exports from 1,000 crore rupees to 21,000 crore rupees, selling to over 85 countries. 4. Electric vehicle market. A sector that didn't exist in 2014 is now worth $3 billion. 5. Toy industry. Exports increased by 239% while imports were halved. But there has been challenges like 1. Stagnating manufacturing. GDP. Despite efforts, manufacturing's share in GDP has barely moved, stuck at 15 to 17%. 2. Declining employment. Manufacturing jobs have decreased, especially in the informal sector. 3. Deindustrialization. India is facing premature deindustrialization with more people moving back to low-productivity agriculture. Low domestic investment. Despite reforms, fixed investment growth has stalled, and booming imports mostly from China still meet much of the demand. To truly succeed, India must focus on investment-led growth. We need more domestic R&D, better industrial policy, and a strong push towards indigenization. It's time to reimagine our approach, making India not just a manufacturing hub, but a leader in technology and innovation. As we look forward, Prime Minister Modi reminds us of our collective power. Together, we will build Vikshet Bharat. The journey has only just begun. Imagine what India can achieve in the next 10 years. Will India rise as a global manufacturing powerhouse? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.